Hello everyone, welcome back to Storky Farmstead. It's a very fast video because I need you guys to help me. All right, so we all know Sam has very little tech knowledge. Very little. And a very kind lady from California wants to purchase a GoPro for the trip, guys, so that I can wear it, I'm assuming. So I don't know what types of GoPros are out there, anything about it. Let me tell you what I need. I need something that I can put a memory card in and then upload to my computer. Okay, so I'm gonna bring my laptop with me. That's what I need. And I also need something that is user-friendly, like really, really user-friendly. I need something that has a memory card in it that can record for several hours before I need to like upload, okay? Because I don't know, like once I leave where I'm staying and I get out there, I might be Ubering to different parts, and I'm going to try to tour a few things to like support small businesses. Like if there's a forum or anything like that that allows tours, I'm going to try to do it. My dad gave me an amazing idea. He would like me to try to coordinate a garden, like, because that's literally what I do, right? Is regenerative agriculture and permaculture principles. So my dad was hoping I can hook in with like a nonprofit or a church where there's an area, of course, not where the burn site is. I'm not even allowed in that area. But maybe the next town over where some of the victims are, right? Where I can help them build a garden, you know, because when something's destroyed, sometimes to bring new life into the world, even in the form of a plant, is very peaceful and joyful. It's also food security, and it helps people relax, because I have a video out about gardening and how gardening can help with like PTSD, like provable facts, like gardening can help addicts recover. It's amazing. So I already have a video out. I did it like 3 or 4 weeks ago about how gardening can help in those situations. So I do hope that we can do that, and I want to video all that for you guys. So here's what I need. I need you guys put in the comments for this wonderful woman and her husband, what type of GoPro should she look for? Maybe if we could get something that could be worn as a harness. I don't even know what types they have, guys. Real talk. I would not want something on my head. Okay, let's not do that. Let's go with something on the chest. And something that is easy, user-friendly, and something that can hold a lot of data before I have to upload. So, because like I said, I may be a long way from where I'm going to be staying every day, moving around, and we'll be there from the 9th until the 17th. Well, yeah, the 9th until the 17th. So that's a lot of time. We can get a lot of stuff done, and I want to be able to videotape all of this for you guys. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. This way, the funds you guys have already sent, someone covered the airline ticket. Now someone's covering the GoPro. I'll get accommodations tomorrow, and everything else will be used to support small businesses while I'm there. I'm hoping that I'll be able to attend some of the community discussions and open forums and that kind of stuff, not to participate per se with my own opinion, but to witness, you know, to stand as a witness, kind of like somebody on a watchtower, like the Bible talks about. So God bless you. Thank you all so much. I am getting your comments, and as quick as I can. I'm being honest. I'm noticing a lot of trolling. So now I know what Eric meant, but it's okay. It's okay, because I mean, it's usually obvious that they're trolls. God bless you again. Thank you all so much for making this happen. Let's get to Maui. Let's answer the question, where are the children?